I made one change in how I approached coding and it helped me land the biggest Fiverr order I have had so far. The surprising part is that it wasn't learning another programming language. Okay, so let me show you the real numbers. This is my actual Fiverr account. So far, I have earned $1320 from 7 completed orders. And order number 8 is currently in progress for $16.50. It's the biggest project I have landed on Fiverr so far. I am documenting the process, and once it's complete, I will make a separate video breaking it down. But this video isn't about one order. It's about what I would learn if I had to start coding again from zero in 2026 and becoming ready for projects like this. So first, coding isn't dead. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics still projects strong growth for software development related careers over the next decade. But the job has changed. AI can generate basic code and boilerplate in seconds. So your value is no longer based on how much syntax you can memorize. Clients don't care how quickly you can type a function. They care whether their website generates leads, their booking system works, and you can fix the projects when something unexpected breaks. In 2026, the valuable developer combines 4 things: strong fundamentals, problem solving, communication, and the ability to use AI without depending on it. If my goal was freelancing, I would choose one direction: web development. I wouldn't try learning mobile development, cybersecurity, Python, React, and AI agents at the same time. For the first 30 days, I would focus on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I would also learn responsive design, Git and GitHub, and how to publish a website online. I wouldn't move to an advanced framework until I could build a complete website without copying a tutorial. And I would follow one simple rule. For every 30 minutes I spent watching, I would spend at least 1 hour building. If I learned forms, I would build a code request form. If I learned JavaScript function, I would build a pricing calculator. If I learned APIs, I would build a tool that displays useful real-world data. Every week, I would finish and publish something. Not perfect, but finished. During the next 30 days, I would build 3 projects around real client problems. First, a fast mobile-friendly website for a local business like a contractor, a dentist, restaurant, or fitness coach. Second, an interactive tool such as an appointment booking system or code calculator. Third, a larger project with a front end, back end, and database, like a customer dashboard. But I wouldn't just upload the code to GitHub. For each project, I would create a live demo, clean screenshot, and 60-second video explaining 3 things: what the problem was, how I solved it, and why the solution matters. Clients usually don't read your code. They look for proof that you can solve a problem like theirs. I would absolutely use AI while learning, but I wouldn't ask it to build the entire projects while I watched. First, I would try solving the problem myself. If I got stuck, I would ask AI to explain the error or give me one hint at a time. After writing the code, I would use it to review my work, find possible bugs, and suggest tests. My rule would be simple: if I cannot explain the code, I don't ship the code. A recent developer survey found that the biggest frustration with AI was getting answers that were almost right. but not completely right. And that final 10% is where your understanding matters most. AI should make you faster, it shouldn't make you helpless. During the final 30 days, I would stop presenting myself as someone who simply knows coding. This is the change I mentioned at the beginning. Instead of saying, I am a developer who knows HTML, JavaScript, and React, I would say, I build fast, mobile friendly websites that help local service businesses generate more leads. The first versions leads skill, the second one sells the result. I would take my stronger portfolio and turn it into a one focused Fiverr gig. I would show a relevant demo, define exactly what's included, and offer three clear packages. I wouldn't compete by being the cheapest developer. I would compete by reducing risk for the clients. That means asking good questions, defining the scope, communicating clearly, testing the work, and delivering what I promised. Higher value clients aren't just paying for more code, they are paying for confidence that you can handle the complete outcome. Now, my eighth order is in progress for $1650. That doesn't mean 8 orders will guarantee the same result for everyone. It proves something more useful. Your order count isn't the only thing that matters. The value of the problem you can solve and the trust you create around your solution can matter much more. So, if I were starting coding again in 2026, my plan would be simple. Spend 30 days learning the fundamental and spend 30 days building real projects, then spend 30 days turning one useful skill into a clear service. Don't measure your progress by how many tutorials you have watched. Measure it by what you can build, explain, and deliver. And if you are learning to code in 2026 or you have a question about Fiverr, freelancing, portfolios, pricing, or finding your first client, leave it in the comments. I read the comments and your question might be become the topic of my next video. Subscribe for practical advice on turning coding skill into freelance opportunities. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.